shape is this?
Oval.
What about this one?
Rectangle.
What about this one?
Diamond.
And this one? Circle?
Circle.
What about this one?
Triangle.
What about this one?
Star.
What about that one?
I think square.
You think square? What's this one?
Oval.
What is this one?
Diamond.
What about this one? Look at it, Billy. What is this one?
This one?
Mhm.
Oval.
No, look at the picture. This one, baby.
This one?
Yeah, what's this one?
Rabbit.
Look at mommy's finger, baby. Where am I pointing?
That.
Okay, that's a cow.
Cow.
What's this?
Rabbit.
What's this? No, look, what's this one? What is it? Bailey, are you going to tell me what it is? What is it?
Triangle.
Thank you. What's this?
Square.
What's this? No, this. Look over here.
What?
What is this?
This. That.
Yeah, what is that?
That. This. That.
What is it?
That.
Is it a kitty?
Mhm.
No.
No.
What is it?
Read it. There.
It's a monkey.
Monkey.
What is this?
Oval.
No, this right here.
Not oval.
Not oval. What is it?
Rectangle.
Thank you. What is this one? This one.
Diamond.
Okay, what is this one?
Star.
What is this one?
Square.
What's this one? Over here.
Over here.
This one.
Oval.